Good morning, I'm Jiddu, and I want to explain our transport lag hackathon analysis. We looked at jams, traffic jams, and we specifically looked at A13 to just show the way we would do analysis, and we could apply it elsewhere. Our analysis is built up out of three parts. First two parts are fundamental, looking at roads, what creates traffic jams, junctions, how can we improve the junctions that create the traffic jams, and then the third part is really can we predict in advance if there's going to be a traffic jam or not. First we started looking at the A13. So this is the full road. Each dot is a hectometer location, and then this is the average speed. So we made this app where you can plot kind of like the speed, and so a low speed is a jam, and so you see that the jams kind of move backwards as cars come to the back of a traffic jam, and the traffic jam dissolves at the front. So this allows you to look at your whole road and kind of get an understanding of it. We also then of course summarize the data. So here for instance you see a plot of this one. This is not the speed, but a change in speed, the fluctuation. So if there's a lot of stopping and starting at any certain point in the highway, we can pick that up. So we often see that the N470 junction, which is located here, is often a place where people stop and start a lot. So that's like a place where a lot of traffic junctions start. Then we have like a way to profile a junction. We say a junction has a certain task. Certain amount of people have to go from A to B, have to go left, right, straight. And what you can do is, so we have the junction here, we took the data, and you plot that. And so you say, okay, this is how busy it is, and this is time of day, and these are the different paths that people can take. So straight on, leaving the highway, entering the highway. And then so you see that in Rotterdam, that's pretty similar to another junction in Amsterdam, for instance. And then you can say, well, if they do an equal task, are they performing the same? So is the speed in these directions, is that similar? And then you can see, well, the Amsterdam one is actually the same speed here, but it's actually much busier, so maybe it is doing a better job. And so you can look at all the junctions in the Netherlands, and you can say, hey, this junction is doing the same job, but is doing it better. Why? And then you can fix the junction that's performing badly. Then our last analysis is the prediction. So we basically say, look, all the data we have up till now, in 5 minutes, in 10 minutes, in 20 minutes, is there going to be a traffic jam? For this, we just used strong machine learning, subset the right data, make sure that the data makes sense that you're trying to predict. And then we can see that 7 minutes in advance you can really have a good prediction of whether. So we predict not whether it's a traffic jam, but we predict is the average speed going to drop below a certain speed or not. And you can take 95 or you can take 30 or whatever you want to do. But it allows us to really see if the speed will go down or not, and anticipate. So that's mostly it. Thank you for watching and enjoyed it. Thanks.